各位聽眾，大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞，提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅話題係影響全球貿易格局嘅一個重要發展。美國同印度最近達成嘅一項新貿易協議。根據協議，美國會將對部分印度商品嘅關稅降至18%，並且取消之前嘅一啲懲罰性關稅。呢個舉動被視為兩國經濟合作加深嘅一個重要信號。點解我哋要關心呢啲貿易協議？因為佢會直接影響出口商、供應鏈佈局、投資者信心，以至兩國之間嘅經濟關係。我哋首先深入睇下呢份協議嘅具體內容。核心條款係美國將針對多種印度商品，例如鋼鐵、鋁材同部分農產品嘅關稅，由之前高達28%降至18%。而作為回應，印度亦都同意取消對部分美國貨品嘅貿易壁壘，特別係減少對美國蘋果、核桃等農產品嘅報復性關稅。呢啲報復性關稅本來係印度為咗回應美國之前嘅關稅措施而設立嘅，市場對呢個消息嘅反應非常正面。投資者普遍認為呢份協議消除咗好多不確定性，對印度嘅出口業係一個重大利好。不過值得注意嘅係，一啲敏感領域，例如農業同乳製品嘅全面開放，仲喺談判當中，顯示出貿易談判嘅複雜性。為咗更全面咁理解呢份協議嘅影響，我哋必須將佢放喺一個更宏大嘅地緣政治格局之下去分析。近年全球供應鏈出現咗一個明顯嘅趨勢，就係去風險化 de-risking。好多跨國企業都希望減少對單一國家，尤其係中國嘅依賴。喺呢個背景下，印度作為一個有龐大人口、完整工業體系同埋成本優勢嘅國家，自然成為咗好多企業嘅中國加一策略嘅首選。呢份美印貿易協議可以話係為呢個趨勢再加咗一把火。佢唔單止係一份商業文件，更加係一份帶有戰略意味嘅合作綱領，預示住未來兩國喺經濟、科技甚至安全領域都會有更緊密嘅合作。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 bilateral trade。Bilateral trade 中文係雙邊貿易，意思係指兩個國家之間嘅貨物同服務交換。呢類協議通常目標明確，旨在解決特定嘅貿易壁壘，加強兩國之間嘅經濟同戰略夥伴關係。例句 ：The new deal is expected to boost bilateral trade between the two countries。第二個字係 reciprocal tariffs。Reciprocal tariffs 中文係互惠關稅。指嘅係兩國互相向對方嘅商品施加或減免關稅，作為一種對等安排。佢可以係貿易戰中嘅報復性措施，亦可以好似今次咁係談判中用嚟達成協議、互相讓步嘅一種工具。例句 ：India agreed to remove reciprocal tariffs on several US products。第三個字係 export competitiveness。Export competitiveness。中文係出口競爭力，指一個國家嘅產品喺國際市場上嘅綜合優勢，唔單止睇價格，仲包括品質、生產效率同創新。降低關稅可以直接降低產品嘅最終售價，從而大大提升佢嘅出口競爭力。例句 ：Lowering US tariffs will enhance India's export competitiveness。第四個字係 market access。Market access 中文係市場准入，指外國公司進入一個國家市場嘅難易程度，當中嘅壁壘可以係關稅，亦可以係非關稅壁壘，例如進口配額、複雜嘅法規同認證要求。改善市場准入係貿易協議嘅核心目標之一。例句 ：The agreement provides Indian exporters with better market access to the US。第五個字係 investor sentiment。Investor sentiment 中文係投資者情緒，指投資者對某個市場嘅整體感覺同信心，佢會直接影響資金流向同資產價格。好似今次嘅貿易協議，因為佢消除咗不確定性，所以能夠有效提振投資者情緒，吸引更多資金流入。例句 ：The positive news about the trade deal has improved investor sentiment。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。
Morning, Nina. Did you catch the details on the new US-India trade deal? It seems like a big step forward for our bilateral trade relationship.
I did. The markets are certainly reacting well. It seems like a major boost to investor sentiment, finally removing some of that trade uncertainty we've been seeing.
Definitely. Reducing US tariffs to 18% on some goods is huge. That's a significant boost to India's export competitiveness, especially for sectors that were hit hard before.
And what did India give in return? I saw something about reciprocal tariffs. What does reciprocal tariffs mean again? Is it just tit for tat?
In a way, yes. But this time it's for de-escalation. India agreed to drop some of its retaliatory tariffs on US products, like apples and walnuts. It's a sign of goodwill to balance the deal.
That makes sense. So it's about improving market access for both sides. I imagine our suppliers in India are thrilled about having better and more predictable access to the US market.
Exactly. This could be a catalyst for companies looking to diversify their supply chains. A stable trade environment with improved market access makes India a more attractive partner.
It's a strategic win-win. Then it strengthens the bilateral trade relationship and positively impacts investor sentiment across the board. We should monitor how this affects our own procurement costs. 希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：bilateral trade 雙邊貿易、reciprocal tariffs 互惠關稅、export competitiveness 出口競爭力、market access 市場准入同埋 investor sentiment 投資者情緒。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入面試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。